My name is Baker Like Anita, and welcome to my home bakery. So, I run a home bakery from Johannesburg that's called Zimtoti Bakery, and these are 2 days of what I typically get up to in my bakery. So, it's a busy baking day today, randomly. I didn't expect it to be like this, but anyway. I am making this apple sauce. Let me show you. So these are the apples that I'm about to put in the pan right now. Oops. Good morning. Yeah, I'm pretty tired today. I'm about to decorate, not even decorate, it's like a few finishing touches really on this cake that I started yesterday. And yesterday was kind of busy unexpectedly. I had 2 orders for lactation bars, so I've been making these lactation bars to help breastfeeding moms. They have like oats and flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds, dates, all of these good things that are known to increase the milk supply in new moms. So it's quite an exciting space to be in that, actually the food or the cakes and bars and cookies that I can make can actually help someone in their daily life, which is really great. That's the whole point of plant-based stuff. It's helpful to your body as well, and this is like proof of it. So I've been getting quite good feedback, which is great. So I'm hoping it's something that I can do more of, and just see how it goes. That's so cool. Ding 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 ding. Today I'm feeling quite tired, so I'm not going to bake the bread today. I'm just gonna feed my starter again because it also didn't seem as active as I wanted it to be. But this is my, I don't know what's his starter, but I'm making another sourdough starter because I think I always find it much easier to do it in the warmer months in Joburg. I can get away with it in Durban because it's quite humid, and the starter takes up much easier in a warmer environment. So I normally like to do my sourdough breads when I'm here in Joburg, do it in the warmer months because it's just easier and it's more likely to succeed actually. So check it out. That's basically how it looks. There's a few bubbles on top. I'm not gonna discard any part of the starter today because, like I said, I'm meant to be baking, so I'm just going to feed on top of what I'm seeing here, especially because there's bubbles and I don't want to interrupt that. So I'm using my hands now. I don't use a fork or spoon anymore to stir the starter because I heard from other experts that your hands actually have good bacteria that will help the starter to grow and activate. So why not use the free bacteria that's going to help that? So I'm using my hands. They're obviously clean, but still obviously there's only so much that you can clean off of your hands, so I'm going to use them. So it's gonna be a bit messy. So hopefully that's going to rise again, and then I can bake from tomorrow. So this was me practicing the text that I'm gonna put on the cake. I always like to practice beforehand because my hand can be shaky sometimes. So I like to practice on a neutral surface before I go directly on the cake, especially if I'm writing in color. So I'm gonna bring the cake out now and start with the decoration. there she go. So I like to wrap the cake in cling film to protect it from any flavors in my fridge. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have a separate fridge just for my cakes yet. So yeah, this works well. All the best, Nikki. Yep. So I haven't eaten breakfast this morning. I think it's still morning, yeah. It's like, yeah, might as well make lunch. It's 11:45. So I'm just gonna make a quick couscous salad thingy. Yeah, with some mushrooms. Yeah. That's my lunch right there. It looks so delicious. I made that myself, for myself. So, I am done with the cake and I really love how it turned out. It's so simple and cute. Yeah, let me show you. So, yeah, there's the little decoration I did. It's a farewell cake for my old boss actually, so that's how it looks in the box. And yeah, check the detail, the piping, honey. Look at that. I did that. Yeah, that's me and my cake, me and my cake. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this in the box in the fridge until it gets collected in about an hour. Yeah, and for now I'm gonna enjoy my lunch and relax for the rest of the day, hopefully. That is the end of this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.